Hey, why can't I edit and type on this slide? Because it's view only. So in order to type on a slide that is in view only, like you see right here, here's what you got to do. You got to go to File and make a copy. And you want to make a copy of the entire presentation. Put your name on it. If you have a biology folder, you want to put it in your biology folder. And click OK. Now you have your very own copy in your very own drive, and you'll be able to attach that to Google Classroom. So let's prove to see that I can edit this. Internet's a little slow at school today. So if I go, I can edit this. Excellent. See you in class.